Finance, Budget and Appropriations, the Honorable Francisco Kit C. Ortega Jr. I would like also to greet a local government chief executive, who is our guest of honor and speaker today, Mayor Roque Versosa Jr., who is also a Pag-asa awardee. And there are very few local chief executives who have excelled in outstanding performances in local governance. So, good afternoon, Mayor Versosa. The promoter of this recognition and awards prize in the region, also a very good friend, long-time friend, worker in government, regional director, not OIC anymore, Director Benny Ragocos. Thank you very much for recognizing these outstanding individuals who excel in their own respective offices in performance, delivery of public services. I see some of the regional directors here. First, I can see the regional director of TESDA, Director Washington Agustin. Thank you very much for coming. Director Reynoso of the Department of Social Welfare and Development. We also have here, we have this afternoon the most outstanding multi-awarded regional director all over the world, Regional Director Leonardo Leo and Quitos Jr. of the National Economic and Development Authority. And I'm not kidding. He is a Lincoln Bayan awardee, among many other awards. He has received both national and even international because of a job very well done. As you could see, in the region, he is a well-known regional director. The other distinguished personalities at the red table, my fellow awardees. You know, it's not easy. I recall to be an awardee of the civil service. In our case, in the Dangal ng Bayan, now I realize, I didn't know that even the Ombudsman is a member of this screening evaluating committee. Also, well, we have a representative of COA, and there is even a private sector representative who came over to really dig deeper into the lives, kasi Dangal ng Bayan daw ito. So they would like to see if we have some anomalous transactions in our families, if we have some discord, many things. They have interviewed our katulong, interviewed our kaaruba, interviewed. Talagang kitaan na pinagunod, nagunod iterwar, nagiti awardees. And therefore, I really believe that the awards given by the civil service is really most outstanding. Now I have invited the members of my family because I believe that whatever honor the civil service grant to any deserving employee, official or employee, that the members of the family contributes a lot. I said before that how can an employee be able to focus and perform well nito no agawin iti malam ket masagot mo kay jay agong umad nga misis wenno ikan mo dagiti anak nati problema wenno dagiti apuda iti problema. So awanan ti hustong dedication and the commitment and the focus dagiti empleyado. So the family indeed is a very, very important contributor to the delivery of service, not just an ordinary public service, but an outstanding service. That little girl there, the name Shen, is my youngest granddaughter. So they are here with me. My fellow awardees, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, everyone. There is a saying that gratitude is the language of the heart. And also I recall that it was Cicero, one of the greatest philosophers of all time, who said that a grateful heart is not only the greatest virtue, but the parent of all other virtues. So on behalf of my fellow awardees this afternoon, I extend my deepest thanks to the Civil Service Commission, for here is a national government agency that does recognition to really well-deserving officials and employees of government without any favoritism. Awan iti maris ng under the table or anyaman dita. I was even afraid of inviting the auditors for a brief snack. I did not even give them some snacks when they visit us because they might say that we are influencing their decision. Even when they came over to our house, 3 of them, we did not offer anything because I am afraid that this could be negative feedback. So I really feel that the Civil Service Commission also deserve this kind of recognition for outstanding performance. Now, my daughter called me, texted me a while ago to make my response short. Keep it short. And I recall there is a saying, and this is, I think, one of the reasons why my fellow awardees have also outstandingly did their job and performed well, because of the saying which says, if you love what you do, you become tireless. But if you hate what you do, you become restless. Now, to my fellow awardees, there is also a saying which says, to whom much is given, much is also expected. So what is the message? The message is, let your light so shine before men. This is a quotation from the Bible. Let your light so shine before men, and they may see your good works by the people and also by God Himself. Let your light so shine before men, and they may see your good works. I think it's part of the game. That what is the secret of outstanding performance? There were those performances, but down deep inside, there has to be the main reason. Here in the provincial government, I know that nobody, not even your humble representation, could be a recipient of this award without the full support of the local chief executive, meaning Governor Manolin C. Ortega and the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Awan, iti may deliver na public service na ato, nasaya, no awan ti support at the local chief executive. I know Mayor Versosa will agree with me on this. And because of that, and your regional directors, without their support, nga iti maragidan tayo. So I am very pleased that your regional directors are here because they are also recipient of such an award. It is an honor to be an awardee of the national government or the Civil Service Commission, but there are others who have done their share to make us what we are today. And so, my friends, thank you very much, Director Agocos and the Civil Service Commission for this award. And this is in celebration of the 110th anniversary of the Philippine Civil Service with that theme. This is what we are trying to pursue in local governments. Raise, as Board Member Kip Ortega has said, because there's little time really left for all of us. That's why there is that race that has to be done by all the bureaucrats in advancing responsive, accessible, courteous, and effective public service. Yung sunay kaginan ng pagnabalantay ang isa.
Thank you very much, sir, for that very meaningful message. May you serve as an inspiration for others. We are happy to inform everybody that our semi-finalists also made it at the national level.